Hey, I'm Hannah. You know it's spring, and that's when a girl's thoughts turn to her dream home in the parade of homes. Builders are putting their final touches on their parade entries, like this one by Keystone Homes. This home has a wonderful kitchen. It's bright and airy, and the textures and finishes are full of energy. The builder chose a beautiful subdued color for the cabinetry, which really contrasts with the black hardware and complements the white quartz countertops. The backsplash is really unusual, and I love the brick look. Very earthy, yet modern at the same time. The island is the centerpiece that makes a great statement in its contrasting blue, and it has an ample overhang so that friends and family can pull up a bar stool as they enjoy a glass of wine while conversing with the chef as he whips up dinner. I also like the choice of mood lighting over the island, while the overhead lights provide the primary light for the room. This kitchen flows into the den seamlessly, and the stacked stone look of the fireplace echoes the earthy tones of the kitchen backsplash. The entire space is very bright as large windows allow lots of natural light to flood the space. This kitchen makes for a great entertaining space as well as a comfortable gathering place for the entire family to share the events of the day. Enjoy this home along with over 24 other parade entries in the Spring 2024 Parade of Homes.